As you can see, I've made 6 vines. 3 vines with 3 leaves. 3 vines with 4 leaves. Now let's assemble the 6 vines to the pot. We will use this yarn to assemble the vines. Insert the hook into the soil and secure the leaves to the soil. Do this in all the different positions. But secure 3 leaves vine and 4 leaves vine alternately. Take out the yarns. Weave secure all the vines onto the soil. Secure the threads of the vines to the threads of the soil. Tie a knot. We have secured the leaves and the soil tightly. Shorten the yarn. Hide the yarn into the pot, just like this. Done now. You have done a great work. Next, we will crochet the drawstrings. There will be 3 drawstrings. Next, I will demonstrate how to crochet the drawstrings. Pull out the white yarn. We start with a chain stitch. You will know how to wrap the yarn if you watch the previous videos. Get the hook and insert the loop. A chain stitch completed. Pull the yarn and tighten the loop. Normally it's okay with 80 chain stitches. The more chain stitches, the longer drawstrings. Remember, It's okay for me. We have finished the first drawstrings. We need to crochet 2 more drawstrings. Done. Next, we're going to fasten the drawstrings evenly around the pot. Don't forget to hide the yarn. Finally, we did it. Congratulations!